how long it takes me to swear, so fucking flipping go and have a flipping party. Hooked. Fucking chuck. Fucking hair. Bollocks. Oh, you fucking piece of junk. Fucking snapped. Bastard, you. The fucking spoon through your fucking leg. Fucking doing that. Up you come, you fat fucker. Come on, you fucker. Fucking. This is when you usually start swearing and say bollocks. You're not going to get that back out of there, I'm telling you that much fucking flat out. I haven't fucking used before. So that do not look parallel to me. It's fucking not. They gotta be running fucking good. Why is it that one and not that one? They're both the fucking same. Pull my fucking underpants up. Where's your eye protection? On the end of my fucking nose. Right, it is a song, I'm not pissing you about. Fucking song used to fucking haunt me. Bet it still haunts the person who fucking sung it. Bastard. That's hotter than it fucking looks. It's just shite. Well, I was trying to be clever so I don't fucking burn myself. My fingers are fucking... So, you have noticed I haven't swore a lot yet. Well, I don't think I swore very much today.
Like or dislike. Please subscribe. Thanks folks. God bless you. Hi there are a few links to more videos at the end. Don't take life too serious, life's too short for that nonsense. See ya soon, cowboys.